So, as I understand, the new Opel Astra is the most important news from Opel.
Yeah, from today's ER, from the ER, this is really significant news, because you have to imagine with the new Opel Astra we were starting from a white sheet of paper by developing a complete new architecture with our colleagues from Rüsselsheim, who were totally responsible for the design and for the technique of the car. And by doing that we could not only deliver up to 200 kilogram less weight with the car, we also could develop complete new technologies like the Intellilux LED matrix light, which is a compact first technology. We also introduced just new engine families, just new engine variants with the car, where we had specific reasons to do that. So we were focusing on efficiency, on engine responsiveness, and of course on noise and vibrations. So all in all, we could deliver lots of new things with the car, as you can imagine.
It's totally new car, it's not facelift.
As mentioned, it's a brand new car, so it's a new architecture. As mentioned, only by that we could deliver that weight reduction. So you have to imagine we could look at each and every process in each and every component, and that helped that we could only, for example, decrease the weight of 77 kilogram in the body, but also, for example, 50 kilogram less weight within the chassis. And this is only possible by looking at a totally new car, by developing a totally new car.
Who should buy this car? Younger, older people?
So the Astra is basically, call it a car for everybody. Of course you have the more traditional Opel customers, which we would love to see in that car, which we believe is a great offer for them, not only because of the affordable price and the best-in-class cost of ownership, but also because we decreased the car in size but increased the interior roominess. But in addition, due to the new technology, so Opel OnStar, your personal service and emergency assistant, and the phone projection, we also are looking for people who are more early adopters, who are more technology interested. So this car has so broad offer that we can deliver this car to each and everybody of the society, because we have so many things in the car which are so interesting.